I can see now why we are here. Sfeninla. You remember when the state was exposed by Kwabin? It's the same thing as this guy. And these people know each other. You know, the state is pressing on them because they are exposing the state, these guys. And especially this guy has exposed the state in another level. Who's on? Because they were busy mooring him, doing stuff. It's just like so crazy. You know, I didn't even know about this guy. I'm just like, wow, Obaloi. And they thought they were going to continue. And Baloi was there. And he acted like he didn't know this guy. I'm just like, Obaloi, guys. And Urat is busy backing them up. We back up saying, wow. When Kwabini was exposing them, they ended up saying that there are people sitting at the back who were actually there to support Kwabini. Those people became criminals because it suited the state. You know, and they're doing the same thing. It's just like, you know what? When you live here, we would have trashed you.
Ngathi uMaphisa angimazi ukuthi boshelwe kuphi eGoli. Kuthiwa ngeke kwathiwa ngiphikisa amakamera ngiyobona amakamereni. Manje angazi balolo jela boshelwe kule eGoli.
I also know that he is a close friend currently to one guy from my place of residence in Rustenburg called Ndwandwe.
Angazi ukuthi
do you know a gentleman with the surname Ndwandwe?
baningi kusenkantolo.
There are many, my lord. Do you know a gentleman called Thembi Ndwandwe, the one you mentioned yesterday?
Kusenkantolo ngishida ngisalima uThembi Nkosi wabonga inkosi. Ucishe njalo.
Thembi Nkosi or Thembi Ndwandwe, is it the same Ndwandwe that you say or you claim that you traveled with to Pretoria to a parade?
Yebo, kusenkantolo.
My lord. So how did this name come to this statement if you are not the son?
Angwazi kusenkantolo.
Mention the name Ndwandwe to any police officer?
Alikho kusenkantolo.
None, my lord. So how will the police have known that there is a Ndwandwe that is close to Mr. Maphisa? I want to put it to you that objective evidence from this court, from Vodacom, indicates that there is a Ndwandwe that was in communication with Mr. Maphisa. He communicated with Maphisa 84 times. And his other name is Thembi Ndwandwe, Bakela Ndwandwe.
I fail to understand, my lord. What is it that the state is trying to do by referring to the communication, or to achieve by referring to the communication that Mr. Maphisa could have had with that certain Mr. Ndwandwe? Because my understanding is, and I hope that is also the understanding of the court, my lord, that what the state has been allowed to do is to demonstrate that what is contained in the statement here is what actually came from the witness here. And that could have happened at the time at which there was that interview between this witness, or that communication between this witness and Mr. Geninda. Therefore, to try and draw inferences from sources which are not related to what was happening at that moment in time when allegedly the statement was made, my lord, seems to be very irrelevant, because that is now beyond the scope of what this process is. Thank you, my lord. And I'm trying to demonstrate here, my lord, that therefore the question, and I've decided that all these questions